raindrops seemed to wash away the pilgrims' sins. In the heart of every Muslim, Mecca is not just a location, but also a sacred symbol where all beliefs and souls converge. The Kaaba, a precious gem at the center of Masjid al-Haram, is the heart of Mecca, where millions of Muslims from around the world gather to perform Hajj, one of the 5 pillars of the Islamic faith. And when the rare storm hits this place, they are not just natural phenomena, but also carrying deep cultural and religious significance. On a day in mid-December 2023, as the power of nature erupted, the sky over Mecca suddenly darkened. Thick, black clouds gathered, creating a tense atmosphere of anticipation. A natural disaster arrived, an event not only rare but also tremendously powerful. Fierce winds carrying sand and dust howled. The sky thundered with lightning, and large raindrops like beads fell into the arid desert. For those who witnessed it, this was not just an ordinary storm. It was a message from above, a sign of life and rebirth. This event became even more memorable as it unfolded around the enigmatic Black Cube. It's often said that Mecca remains untouched by nature's turmoil, but when nature decides to display its might, nothing can stand in its way. The natural disaster brought not only relief from the intense heat of the desert, but also tested the endurance and patience of both residents and pilgrims. Amidst the most sacred heart of the Islamic world, this calamity was not just a test of pilgrims' faith, but the raindrops seemed to cleanse the sins of all. Although a rare occurrence, the authorities in Mecca were well prepared to handle such situations. The drainage system, emergency response units, and crowd management rules had all been thoroughly tested throughout the Hajj and Umrah seasons. These systems became more crucial than ever when faced with unexpected weather phenomena like storms. From the pilgrims present during the storm, it might have been an unforgettable, haunting experience, but also a test of faith in the religion they revere. While rain can be seen as a sign of luck and blessing in many cultures, their presence in this storm is surely an indelible memory. For the pilgrims, it was not just about witnessing the power of natural disaster, but also feeling the wonder of life and religious faith in the harshest weather conditions. However, this event also raised concerns about safety. The authorities had to issue guidelines and technical measures to ensure the safety of everyone present. The safety of millions of pilgrims was always a top priority, and in such moments, the faith and thorough preparation of the flexible response capabilities of the managing bodies was put to the test. In the digital era, images and videos of the Kaaba under the flash of lightning and thunderclouds spread rapidly throughout social media, touching the hearts of Muslims worldwide. Natural disasters like this often spark discussions about climate change and environmental conditions, reminding Muslims of the need to care for the earth and preserve its sacred beauty in accordance with Islamic teachings. The storm and flooding near the Kaaba area in Mecca are not just simple natural events, but also hold profound significance for Muslims worldwide. Although natural events like storms and floods can pose significant obstacles, they cannot hinder the faith and devotion of Muslims. In emergency situations like floods, the routes leading to Mecca may be blocked, not only hindering pilgrimage, but also affecting the daily lives of the local residents. However, the faith of Muslims and the spiritual significance of the pilgrimage and the importance of the Kaaba in their belief helps them overcome these difficulties. They view these challenges as part of testing their faith and patience. Islamic culture and religion emphasize accepting the will of Allah, which includes accepting natural disasters as part of a grand plan beyond the human understanding. In difficult times, the Muslim community often becomes more united and supportive of each other, as demonstrated through the relief and reconstruction activities. Thus, while the storm near Kaaba may just be a rare natural disaster, it evokes a range of profound reflections from cultural, religious, and logistical perspectives. It serves as a powerful reminder of the strength of nature, the necessity of preparation and response, and the significant impact it has on Muslims around the world. Please leave your discussion comments below the video comments section. Thank you very much for your keen interest, follow-up, and enthusiastic support. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. For now, we say goodbye and look forward to seeing you in our next videos. Wishing everyone a warm day with your family.